back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own glitter alcohol ink. Now in this I've just got a ball bearing, you can hear it in my needle tip bottle, you can see the shimmer. All I've done is added some of this diamond white mica powder. This is really fine mica powder, and I've mixed that with some 99.9% isopropanol. So I've only, filled not even half, and then I used I've got these mica spoons. I used 2 level amounts of the mica powder and just mix that in. You can try with different mica powders. I'd just be careful not to mix too much at once, but I'm going to go and add 1 more scoop into this because I've done a tester and it didn't really come out the way I wanted. So it's kind of finding that balance that works for you. Let's see, just a scoop. This stuff goes everywhere. You can probably see it sparkling on the camera. I'm just adding 1 more scoop to this because it just wasn't enough for my liking. I'll just pop that lid back on. Should have taken that off first. And give it a shake. I'm only doing a couple of pieces just to show you how it works. There you go. Right, I've only mixed up a small amount of resin, you see. I'm just going to do a quick spray. I've mixed this resin pretty quick, so I've got some bubbles. I'm not overly fussed. Hopefully they'll rise up. And I'm just sticking with 2 colours. Just spotted a hair in there. Let's get that out. We don't want that in there. There's a couple in there. Right, so I'm just going with midnight blue and a normal blue. Hopefully it'll give us like a starry night effect. So we're going to go in with the glitter first, and you'll see the sparkle when I add it. So 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You'll see that sparkling away. You could try this with different brands, but I will pop what I've used in the description box below the video. Just a couple of drops really, and then you can stir it in. Obviously different brands might sink. It's just kind of, I found this one to be okay. This mica powder doesn't sink that much. I'm going to go in with the midnight blue. Like so. Thanks to all my new subs and my existing subs, and thank you to my channel members. And then we're just going to go in with our white sinker. I think that left one needs a little bit more of the midnight blue. Again, we're using the Resin 1.1 for this, and this is the Resin C Deeper. Still got a bit of negative space in that left one, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit more midnight blue. It didn't spread that well. And then we can kind of just disturb the surface just to blend, mix that in. Right, we'll be back in about an hour for the stir. See you in a bit. Right, it's not quite been an hour, but I'm just going to stir it now. It's been about 45 minutes. I had a bit of resin left, so I did another small one. Right, we'll see you for the results. Bye for now. Right, we are back for the results. like I said in this, just play around with ratios. It will work with any viscosity resin. You just might need to use maybe less mica powder because it may sink, but we'll see how these turned out. Hopefully we get some sparkle. You can see some on the back. There you go. No blobbing. I think I could probably add some more maybe, or just stir it in more. But you can definitely see that sparkle. Mainly made this for people that can't get the, maybe can't get the Marabou Rainbow alcohol ink. But again, just play around until you get it right. Not so much of a sparkle in this one, I don't think, compared to the other one. Like I said, I could probably add another scoop maybe. And then we had a bit of resin left over. I just quickly did this one off camera. Kind of, I went a bit over the top of the white. You can see some of it's kind of spored up. Well, that could be the white actually. But yeah, hope this one helps. Again, hit that sub button if you haven't subbed, and I will see you for the next one. Bye for now.